Hello, Christina here, and I am happy to show you this tutorial on how to insert page numbers in Microsoft Word. So as with anything, there's always a bunch of different ways to do it. This is just going to be my way of how I do it. So one of the most common places that you would want to put your page numbers is in the footer. So an easy way to do this, and this is if you have no other information in your footer, would simply be to go to Insert, and then over here you will see the section that says Page Numbers. So you're going to go ahead and click on that, and then you can click Bottom of Page. So now it'll give you some options. Do you want to put it to the left, centered, right? And then if you want to get fancy, there's some ones that have the words in it. You know, maybe it has page 1 of 1, parentheses, dot. I mean, you do you, and you get fancy with whatever way you want to do it. This one looks fun, so I'm going to do these little tildes. So you can see here it is 1, and here it is 2. And I'm going to go ahead and close the footer. One of the things that I notice people do a lot is they know how to get into the header or footer, and they'll just type the number 1 in. Then they'll scroll down to the next page and be like, oh, it says 1, let me change it to 2. And they don't realize that whatever they change it to, it goes to every single thing. So that's why it's important to use the page number button, because that's what makes it dynamic and makes it change based on the number of pages. Here's another thing I've noticed sometimes. So once again, you can do that same process to insert the page number at the top of the page and put it, again, all those same options there. Now it's just going to go in the header instead of the footer. You also have the option, this one to be honest, I've never used this option of page margins. So if you want it all the way on the page margins, top left, bottom right, that's available for you too. But I want to show you a way for putting it in the header or putting in the footer when you already have some text in there. So for example, let's say I was doing this in MLA format, which requires me to put my name, or my last name rather, and then the page number in there. So a lot of times, again, I see someone write Smith 1, and then when they scroll down, they will see Smith 1 again, and then they'll be like, oh wait, no, I'm sorry, I need to change that to 2. And now it changes it to 2. Not what you want to do. So what you're going to want to do, I always like to leave that space, is you're going to see this thing for page number when you're in the header and footer option. Again, people want to say, oh, top of page, so I'll just put in, this to be all the way in the right. What happens? Takes away the words that you already have. That's not what you want. So when you already have some words there, specifically in the header and footer, and you want to add in the page number, you want to choose current position. So even though right now it looks like it's putting it to the left, it's really going to put it exactly where my cursor is. Again, no matter which. Wow, look at these super fun ones. I didn't even know they had all those. Typically, I just do plain number. And there you go, 1. And when I scroll down, you can see 2. And then if I had more pages, etc., etc. I hope that this has helped you. Please subscribe for more tips. Give me a like and leave a comment with what you would like to see next.